If you want to send a text message with your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9, here's what you need to do. So if your Watch 9 is paired with a Samsung Galaxy smartphone, and if you use the Samsung Messages app for sending messages by default, so this one over here, then in that case, you should have the Samsung Messages app installed. I believe that it is pre-installed, so you can find it somewhere over here. In my case, it is here in this place. It is also possible that it is not available from the start. However, in my case, it actually was, so I'm pretty certain that you should be able to find it in here. So then, of course, you can just go over here and you should be able to send a message. So just make sure that it is, in fact, set as default. And you can, of course, import messages if necessary. And now we should be able to tap on this button here at the top to start sending a message. Now, in case you use any other Android, or if you actually also use Samsung Galaxy smartphone, but you actually use the Google Messages app as the messaging app for yourself, then in that case, you can download the Google Messages app on your Galaxy Watch 9 as well. And once again, in my case, it was, I believe it was pre-installed. I have it available in here. But if you don't have it, you can just go to the Play Store and you should be able to download it pretty easily. Now, in my case, I need to once again change the default messaging app. So let's just simply tap Set as Default over here. There we go. I'm not sure why it shows up again. Maybe I'll just need to wait a second, or maybe we need to reopen the app. So let's give it a try. Yep, there we go. And you can see all those messages and conversations that you have had so far. And you can choose any of them in order to, for example, send a message. So here we have some quick responses that you can use. You can tap on more to find even more of them, of course. And you can also tap on, for example, the smiley face in order to open the emojis list. You can use the microphone to say your response out loud, and then it's going to be converted into a text. Or you can just use a keyboard over here, and you can type your message manually. And then we can use the send button here. And there we go. We should be able to send that message quite easily. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.